How to recover deleted text on notes from Android. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video we will see some methods that will help you recover your deleted text on notes on your Android devices. So without further delay, let's get started. First option is to check your notes, applications, trash or recently deleted folder. So many note applications have a trash folders where all of your deleted notes will stay for 7 to 30 days before permanent deletion. So open up your note application in your Android device, tap on the three-line icon and head towards the trash and check here if you could find your notes in this section. And from here you could restore your note. And if you cannot find your notes in the trash as well, you can also check for the Google Drive or cloud backup. If your note application is synced to Google Drive or any other cloud services, you could also check there for the backup. And if that still does not work out for you, you could also check your notes if they were saved somewhere else. If you have copied the text before, you could check your Clipboard manager and also check for the applications such as Google Docs or email draft if you have pasted or saved your notes over there. So check if you could find it auto saved somewhere else also. So these are some of the ways that will help you recover your deleted text on Android device. That's all, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.